visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. Now, let's see kung ano nangyayari sa paligid. The Ace of Cups, followed by the 8 of Wands and the 9 of Wands. So, meron ditong parang gusto magsimula, no, ng relationship with you. Nakakita tayo dito ng somewhat pinopormahan ka na through conversations. Meron din ditong sabihin nating somewhat nakikita mo rin naman na potential, no? Itong taong ito pwede. Kumbaga, may mga bagay din kasing yung hinahanap natin is parang napupunan naman ito ni person. Yung care, yung time, no? Siyempre, pag bago pa, no, nandiyan talaga. Hindi ko sinasabing i-jinx ko to, no? Maganda naman yung reading. Siguro ikaw yung taong either mahilig sa kape, maganda ang kamay mo, marunong kang or mahilig, you're a bookworm, no? I think na pag-uusapan nyo rin dito for a few numbers of you, kung hindi mo to kaklase, katrabaho mo to, no? Either na pag-uusapan nyo, kunyari, ang assignments, yung lectures, or trabaho na naman kapag nandun na kayo sa isa't isa, no? I mean, nasa bahay nyo na. Nakikita din natin dito for some reason, I don't know if you are, ano yun, yung parang, yung nag-check ng mga items, no? Yung, pwede rin ito yung sa pera, yung, chine-check yung break-even, no? Ang tawag dito, nag-iimbentaryo, ayan. Nakakita din tayo ng mga ganon. I am seeing here, siguro makakasama mo to, no, sa outing. Outing talaga ang tawag, napaka old school. Yeah, team building, kumbaga, no? I feel like itong inyong company is sa set ng team building. At isa sa inyo, siguro ang punong abala, no? Sa mga team building na ito. Someone is a coffee lover, the King of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Whether umamin or hindi pa umaamin ng nararamdaman, kasi ang nakikita natin with the Three of Pentacles, parang ito yung sinasabing, I am giving something to you, no? Or pinag-aaralan ko pa kung ano ba talaga ang totoo mong nararamdaman din sa akin, kasi parang seryoso din ito. I feel like doon sa team building na ito or sa event na ito, it might not be a team building, it could also be, you know, a gathering, no? Parang doon ito magsasalita, doon ito mag-open up, no, ng kanyang nararamdaman. At buong puso nito at buong tapang itatanong, ikaw ba may nararamdaman ka rin sa akin? So, someone is gonna be shocked with the question of yung straightforward na question. Parang, huy, wait, sandali. Hindi ko, you caught me off guard. Parang ganyan, no? The Hermit, the Temperance, and the Four of Cups. So, bakit nandito ang Four of Cups? Kasi nakakita tayo dito ng meron tayong madidiscover. Siguro, ito'y baka masyadong seryoso sa buhay. Parang feeling natin, kahit na doon yung checklist, no? Biglang merong something off. Bakit may off dito? The Queen of Wands and the King of Swords. Parang nagiging pushy yung ayaw natin, no? Siguro ito yung part na sa sobrang gusto ka ng tao, sa sobrang gustong-gusto niyang maging kayo, sobrang gusto niyang magkaroon ng relationship with you, nandoon na siya sa part na parang nagiging controlling. At parang sabi mo, ayoko ng ganyang klaseng tao. Siguro tinapat mo na rin ito, no? Itong taong ito, na masyado kang parang feeling, hindi pa man tayo, ay kung umati ka, kung umasta ka, ay ganyan na. Now, let's check a message from the universe. Message from the universe is the Queen of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. So parang sabi naman ni universe is serious yung kanyang nararamdaman. Wala naman tayong doubt doon. Pero kasi pwede pa din daw, no, ayusin yung kanyang pagiging controlling. Meron pang chance ang pagiging pagluwag nito sa paghawak dito sa connections ninyo. I feel like kailangan lang maramdaman nitong taong to yung security na kayo na meron ka nang nararamdaman sa kanya. I feel like si person kaya lang naging ganito, siguro, no, naging sobrang luwag in the past, or meron nitong parang experience na baka ganito sila sa bahay, medyo parang militar, no, yung kanyang upbringing, kaya medyo mahigpit siya. Pero kapag naayos naman, kapag naging kayo naman, makikita mo yung generosity nitong taong to. Makikita din natin na itong person na ito is magiging giving, no? Generous naman si person. With regards to that, lalo na kapag dating doon sa mga occasions, no? Pero freedom, we cannot buy freedom, no? Yun nga ang sinasabi natin. Pero kung susubukan mo, pwede itong ma-adjust, no? Yun yung sinasabi ni universe. So this is your reading. Now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Now this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Syempre, reading mo to, no? Pwedeng lumabas din ang iyong zodiac sign or a placement in your chart. Pero bago yan, I want you to know kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Let me know sa comment section. And if you have questions sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yan. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Gemini, Pisces, Libra, Leo, Scorpio, Taurus. Yeah, Leo is here, Aries is here, Virgo, Sagittarius is here, Cancer. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.